Hello guys, it's Jukebox here. Today I'll be doing a full review of the Infinix XBand 4. Before I proceed, I would like to welcome you all to my channel on this platform. I'm really happy to share my first video with you. Okay, on the box of this device, we have some of the features highlighted here. So we have the 20-day battery life, the alarm clock, sports tracking, sleep monitor, IP67, water resistant. So this pack tells us the devices it works on Android 4.4 and above, iOS 9.0 or above, and it works with Bluetooth 4.0 at minimum. So this means you can use this device with your Android phones, iOS devices. So this is all that comes with the device, just the pack. Then this case where the wristwatch comes. Well, I don't have the manual again because I misplaced it. So straight to it. The device weighs 22.5 grams. It's a very light one. It's got waterproof grade of IPS67. It uses a thermoplastic polyethylene strap, which helps resist abrasion and also makes the device flexible and light when you wear on your wrist, you know. The strap length, the strap length is 255 millimeters long. The buckle is made of stainless steel. The display is an OLED screen. The device has good build quality. It feels compact. Battery is inbuilt, having a capacity of 70 milliamp hours using USB charging. Using the device for the first time might be a little confusing, but it doesn't take long to get used to. I've been using it for over a week now and I do love it. Looking at the screen, there are no buttons on the screen whatsoever or around the back of the screen. Looking at the screen, you think it's a touchscreen device, but well, it's not exactly a touchscreen device, but instead it has a touch key on the lower part of the screen. Using the touch key has just two commands. It's either you press to select menus or you hold to enter the sub menus to make other selections. It takes about 4 seconds to power on. To power on this device, and on the screen on the device you have the battery bar, dates and time. So now let's go through it quickly. Let's enter the menus. So here we have the tracking for your steps, the steps tracking. If you hold down, it makes the selection and it records your calories burnt and the miles and the mileage. So this mileage means the kilometers you've covered. So the second one is the running tracking. If you hold down, it's times to 1. Then you tap to switch to see what's there, burning of calories and records of mileage. You have to hold this part to exit. So that's the cycling too. So this is all for the main menus of the screen. But from the main screen, when you hold, it shows you the version of the XBand. This is the XBand 4 version 0442 ID 22 blah blah to reset and to power off the device, and this is to exit this menu. So let's exit the menu. You hold down to exit again. So, does this battery last forever, or how exactly do I get to charge the battery? So for you to do that, you pull out the strap pull out the strap of the device. Oh, sorry, not this strap. That was intentional. Okay, we pull out the second strap. So the straps are quite firm on the whole body, so you don't have to fear that it's going to fall off or anything. So this is the USB charging, and you just plug it to a charger and you put it into a socket to charge the device. The device takes about, I don't know, I didn't track the time when I was trying to charge the device, but I know at full charge you'll be able to use the device for the next 20 days. So that means you charge it once in 3 weeks. The Infinix XBand 4 is a low budget smart band. It gives you the basic features any smartphone should have. You don't need to worry about pulling the strap out too often, because you only get to charge it once in 20 days, so that's every 3 weeks. For 3,500 and all the values the XBand offers, I think it's worth buying. What do you think? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.